So as you can see, my computer is turns on like 6 days, and that's the problem because I shut it down. What you're gonna do is you have to go to the controller panel you have here, find the power options. Yeah, let me find it. Power options here. Just find it, click on it, and choose whatever plan you want. It doesn't matter. Go to the choose what the power buttons do. As you can see, it's kind of gray and you cannot click on it. Find change setting, click on it, and turn on fast startup off. That's your problem here, and you can just turn your computer off and don't worry about it. Just don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like.